As we all know, photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. And this process consists of two parts. The first one requires sunlight, and the second does not. Starting off from light-dependent reaction. During this phase, the thylakoid, which contains pairs of photosystems called photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, will collaboratively work to produce the energy that will later be used in light-independent reaction. After absorbing photons, the photosystems will channel the excitation energy gathered by the pigment molecules to a reaction center chlorophyll molecule, which will then pass electrons to a series of proteins located on the thylakoid membrane.
The hydroxyl ions will undergo many processes in order to produce water and the byproduct of light-dependent reaction, such as oxygen will be released into the atmosphere via exciting from the stomata, while the hydrogen ions will be later used in light-independent reaction. After the first reaction, it is followed by light-independent reaction. Light-independent reaction, also known as dark reaction, is where sugar is synthesized by a process called Kalvin Cycle reaction. This is where the ATP and NADPH produced from the light-dependent reactions will be used to create a reaction without the aid of photons.
The Kalvin cycle consists of three reactions that reduce carbon dioxide to produce the carbohydrate glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The first reaction is carbon fixation. This is where the carbon dioxide is attached to RuBP or ribulose bisphosphate, resulting in 6 carbon molecules that split into 2 3-carbon molecules. Next is reduction. The ATP and NADPH are used to convert the 3 PGA molecules into molecules of a 3-carbon sugar, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. This is where NADPH reduces a 3-carbon intermediate to make G3P. Some G3P molecules go to produce glucose, while others must be recycled to regenerate the RuBP acceptor.
While the other 5 must be recycled to regenerate 3 molecules of the RuBP acceptor. After the glucose is synthesized, this will be used as an input of cellular respiration, and the surplus glucose will be converted into starch for future uses. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how photosynthesis works.